Angela?
And Marie, we had another mild day, although lots of clouds today, and it was a little breezy, but 50s and 60s right now, including 57 in Greensburg, 53 Morris Reservoir, 51 with clouds and fissures, but we have 60 degrees in Bloomfield, and we're all going to be in the 60s during the day tomorrow. In fact, forecasting 65 to 70 for a warm Wednesday. 56 this afternoon after starting the day at 33. We are obviously well above the averages of 24 and 40. Sunset this evening happens at 6:20 officially at the airport in Indianapolis. Nothing significant or measurable in terms of rain. I had a few sprinkles on my way in, but the steady rain is still developing off to our southwest. So we'll go to live Doppler 13 radar. We're beginning to see a few spotty showers moving just east of Terre Haute, and we've been monitoring some light rain across the northern part of our viewing area. Coming out of Monticello, the steadiest Logansport is just north of you, looks to stay north of Peru and Wabash as well. We move across the state line, and you can see some pockets of heavier rain building near and east of St. Louis across the southern sections of Illinois. All of this will continue to move our way tonight. So if you're headed out for Valentine's dinner, take the umbrella. It's going to be rainy and very windy at times. Future Track 13 shows some of that heavier rain crossing the state line at about 7 o'clock tonight. It'll be with us off and on between now and 11 p.m. The majority of the rain coming to an end shortly after midnight, and we dry out for Wednesday. Wednesday is going to be unseasonably warm, near record warmth, in fact, with high temperatures 65 to 70. A few clouds to start, 51 at 8 a.m. 57 midday, high temperatures tomorrow afternoon, 65 to 70. Remember that wind advisory for tonight, early tomorrow with those gusts perhaps nearing 50 miles per hour. Not as gusty tomorrow afternoon, but it's still going to be a breezy day with that wind out of the southwest, 15 to 25 miles per hour. Talked about this yesterday, that risk for severe weather tomorrow staying down to our southwest, but it does include parts of central Indiana for Thursday. Looks like we might get a couple of waves of rain and storms. Right now, the heaviest looks to be the early part of Thursday. So we go there with Future Track 13. Still dry Wednesday night at 11 o'clock. It'll be after midnight. This is 2 a.m. Rain and storms entering the southwestern part of the state. Rain and storms during the day on Thursday. In fact, we may see an additional line develop as the colder air arrives Thursday afternoon. We're going to be as warm as the 60s, but then in a matter of a few hours drop quickly back into the 40s. Active couple of days in our 7-day forecast. We've got the rain and wind tonight, very warm tomorrow, more rain and storms, especially early Thursday, then falling temperatures, Friday flurries and 32.